Good morning. The reason why I look in the storm door is so I can see that the camera's recording. There's a pre-mounted on my hat. Oh, Flynn, stop. Thank you, buddy. He grabs his leash. So it's the 13th of November. It's a Sunday. It's about 6:20 and it's 43 degrees. Had a lot of activity on the northwest corner of the property. No, it's not the property, it's where we mow. A lot of deer, a lot of doe, a lot of doe, and then a buck. So the rut, I guess, is still going. Have to do an internet search and see where the term rut comes from. So it's Sunday, no hunting. Wanted to go out yesterday. It rained. Rained in the morning. Rained pretty hard during the day. It cleared up, and Flynn and I went out and he took care of his business. And the wind was blowing from the north. You could see sunshine, or blue skies I should say, probably up around Webster or Pitlock. And the wind was blowing pretty good, and finally the skies cleared up here for a little bit and then clouded over again. Temperature dropped because it was pretty warm in the morning. Now it's 43. So I didn't get to do any hunting yesterday. Wanted to try and get out around 3 o'clock, but I didn't. Rita was getting dinner ready early. With it getting dark so early in the evening, we had dinner, I guess, 4:30. Then we settled down. Watch a little Netflix or something. The 2 lots past Antonio's, there has been a trailer set up for a while, and now the next lot south of that, there's another trailer in there. They had put a culvert in, and now they have a trailer in there. Don't know what their plans are. Whether it's just for hunting or what. Don't know what today's plan is. If it wasn't so wet, we'd be out taking care of snowmobile trails. But Kevin, our trail master, apparently knocked himself out yesterday. He was up and at it at 4:30 in the morning. They had the hunter's breakfast which we didn't go to. So, making biscuits, getting over to the club, and everything's ready for 6 o'clock in the morning breakfast start. And then he went over and helped somebody else after breakfast, 6 to 10. I was a little distracted by some brown area up there. It's probably just a corner of the Parker property. I thought it was like a coyote or something moving up there, but it's not. Anyway, so it rained all day. Everything's wet. Kevin overdid it a little bit, and so we had the day off from trail maintenance. With the wind blew the metal back, or they tried to adjust that roof. Looks like it's a little better shape than it was yesterday at this time. It's 43 degrees. We're not getting any frost in the ground. So, gonna get these potholes and crap. Road deteriorates with the rain. The election results in Arizona, I think New Mexico, are still up in the air. Well, also Colorado. Georgia. Warnock versus Herschel Walker. There's going to be a runoff in December. Colorado. Lauren Boebert is up against some guy named Frisch, I think his name is. And she's leading him by a couple hundred votes. And the vote said 99% reporting. But the vote totals haven't changed in over 2 days. Lauren Boebert's a Republican. Frisch is a Democrat. Good morning to Mr. Rooster. Oh boy. So we're almost midway through the month already. Another 12 days, 11 days, Thanksgiving. A week from today we'll be heading down to New Jersey. sometime between today and next Saturday, I have to change out the bucket on the tractor, put the snowblower on. Flynn took care of business. Head back home. Flynn, come on. The Carhartt knockoff jacket and the hoodie, the police hoodie underneath. They're doing a job today. Doing a good job this morning. Can't cold gloves are okay. I can feel a little bit of cold. Not bad though. Here comes the rooster. Flynn, let's go, bud. If you look at the poles here, you see two wires. There's no telephone wire, there's no cable TV. They wanted what is it, bud? Yes, come on. They wanted $3 a foot to extend the telephone to 1,200 feet, so it's $3,600. And they said, even if we bring the line down there, we can't guarantee what kind of speed you're going to get with DSL, which is why we never, we weren't going to spend $3,600 for phone installation and DSL and not know what kind of speed we're going to get. So we opted for using that at the time, which was a big mistake because they lied to us. What's he after? There's a mole or something in there. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Get out of there. Yeah, I said it before, but before I committed to using that, I spent 1/2 hour on the phone with their sales guy, telling them everything I did, everything I used. And I acknowledge that even though I did some internet gaming, I knew that that would not work well over satellite internet. But he assured me that I could run my own email server, that I could use my cameras that need port forwarding. And it was a lie. Because you cannot port forward on Usenet. You can't use your own email server on Usenet. In fact, I'm still having problems with my email server. I can receive email, but I cannot transmit email. I have to relay through something like Gmail or something. And spent a fair amount of time again yesterday. Made some progress with Gmail, but the latest message from Gmail was that the IP address I'm trying to forward from is not in my list of IP addresses I use for forwarding. And there's all sorts of information on how to go into your admin console and enter the IP address. But no matter what I've tried, I cannot access what they call an admin console. So I sent them a support request last night. But it looks like it's going to be a premium service. I have to pay for it. What have you got, bud? I heard it too. Let's go fix the flag. Come on. Flynn. You gave me the look. Yep. Before we turn that little thumb screw here, she's secure again. Nope, she's not. Wow. Six. I don't know why. Maybe the wind. It causes it to vibrate loose a little bit. Oh boy. Can't remember the last time I mowed, but thankfully she's not growing anymore. But it is tall in certain areas. I really would like to get the chipper out, do more cleanup. There's a large, I don't know whether it's white pine or what it is. The wife calls Gandalf. Surrounded by a bunch of smaller pines and alders. I don't know if you can see from here. Yep. See straight past the weather station pole. Really tall tree. I don't know whether that's a white birch and a big pine. But I'd like to clear up that area down there. Get rid of all the alders. Make it more like the park area over here. Be able to get in close and keep things clean, tidy. And yeah, I did get a rake out the other day and rake some of the chippings back over the that black cloth. Well, that's it for today. Maybe I'll start a fire in the wood stove. But that's it for right now. Thanks for watching.